So last week was me trying to translate legalese. This week, I'm going to just be blunt.
Court does call the case of Sile Farms versus Jarek Turgeon. I think that's it. Needed one?
He can be a handful. Or two.
Well, so can Alan, but I let him come. No. All right. What's your name?
Jarek Turgeon, Your Honor.
Megan Turgeon.
And
Soren
Soren.
Turgeon.
all right. That's the most important.
Okay.
All right. So where are we on this?
Total due with court costs, Your Honor, is $2,595.42. I think there was a request previously to enter into a payment plan. My client has declined to do so.
All right.
So last week was me trying to translate legalese. This week, I'm going to just be blunt.
Okay.
In the last week, we've made about $1,500 in payments on bills ranging from DTE, car repairs. We had to spend about $750 on food. Then we still owe about another $1,500 on bills, $1,750 on our van, $2,000 on our mortgage, and $2,600 on our rent. Comes out to about $7,700 that I'm in the hole, not even touching credit cards.
Got it.
We are going to have to vacate the property, and we are aware of this. We're not going to be able to catch up, even if a payment plan had been approved. So instead, we are attempting to get rental assistance and to contact low-income housing and the cheaper apartments nearby so that we can relocate. We don't have money for a moving van, and we're going to have to juggle a lot to get all of us out. I'm aware that we are holding up their situation, and we're sorry for it. But ultimately, the VA told me I can't get help until I have an order for eviction.
The VA said that?
Yes. There's 3 tiers of how they can help you. The first tier was the $5,000 grant. That's gone. The second tier is when they start looking for housing for you and they don't consider imminently homeless until you are ordered for an eviction. Then there's a third tier of when you're actually out on the street. So I would like for a judgment to be issued to evict us as far back as possible, and we will try to be out before then.
My wife was trying to say something.
She just needs to step out.
Oh, okay, that's fine. What branch again?
Army, sir.
Your Honor, may I inquire of Mr. Turgeon, do they own this home outright, or is there a lien on it?
There's the lien and it is currently in default.
Who's the lien holder?
I honestly can't tell you off the top of my head.
Your Honor, I believe it's 21st Mortgage.
Yeah.
21st mortgage.
Your Honor,
Yeah. What do
bear
you
with me
think of
just
something?
one moment, Your Honor, I'm just
Yeah,
communicating.
no, that's fine. I have something I wanted to say to Mr. Church.
Yes, sir.
What you just did was hard, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And, when you came in here last week, um, you call it speaking in legalese. And I saw it when you walked out after we had kind of unraveled what was going on. You had your head down. I'm going to tell you something. We had to go round and round in circles, but I got it.
Yes, sir.
I understood why.
I got to keep a roof over my kids' heads.
Pardon?
I got to keep a roof over
That's
my
it.
kids' heads.
And all you were doing, maybe in some people's eyes, not the right way necessarily, but with the right heart, you were keeping a roof over your wife and kids' head. That's what you were trying to do.
Yes,
You
sir.
weren't trying to short anybody any money. You weren't trying to escape without paying. You just needed to buy time and make sure they were okay.
Unfortunately, I developed some bad habits when I was with the MDOC.
Gotcha. But it's okay. All right.
I'm working on it.
And then coming here and saying that today, it's hard.
I
Okay.
don't want to admit that I need help.
Yeah. But you do.
And we put so much effort into this place just to find out that it was falling apart around us. And timing wise, not great. We're trying to hit a restart button, and I don't know what the legal limits are. So I'm here asking, what can we try to work out so that I can expedite my being out?
All right. When you said you were with the MDOC, employed or in?
I was a sergeant over at Whitmore Lake,
Gotcha.
and then I snapped my knee, found out I was ineligible for surgery, which made me non-qualified for a security status position, and basically screwed up any chances at me using all of my experience. I can't even go to the sheriff's department because I'm not eligible.
All right. Okay.
I've been spinning.
When you were in the Army, were you in combat?
No, sir.
All right.
I was a stateside combat medic working in the hospitals down in San Antonio.
Got it. Okay. So here's the way I look at this. At some point in your life, you were willing to step on that uniform and, if necessary, die for other people, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can't give up hope
No, sir.
because that's not you.
And I can't give up on my kids.
That's it. So you need the eviction notice so that it's urgent. And then will they then rehouse you? Is that what they're going to be looking to do? Or
There is rental assistance where they can help you with a down payment and the first month's rent for a new location. If that location approves me as a tenant, which right now is difficult because my credit score is down to 380. And
so hold on a moment. They won't pay this back balance to let you stay where you are.
no, sir. If I did request rental assistance, which is separate from the homelessness
Right.
branch of the VA, they told me that the $5,000 is the assistance and that I'm not able to get anything else regarding continuing renting there.
Got it.
They'll help me find somewhere new
Right.
and try and work with me on my budget.
Okay.
Plus, the house is falling apart and it's making my family sick.
Got it. Okay, Ms. Dornbush, you were gonna say something.
Yes, Your Honor, two things. I was able to communicate with my client who, is signed into Zoom. And my client is able to agree to a 30-day move-out period. We could offer a consent judgment for October 20th, which would be a Monday. That would give Mr. Turgeon and his family that additional weekend to vacate, or through that weekend to vacate. And then just so Mr. Turgeon is aware, and for the court's information as well, it does look like 21st did initiate a claim and delivery action in the Washtenaw County Circuit Court. I don't know if Mr. Turgeon has actually been served in that action yet, but in light of that, and I can't speak for the attorney representing 21st because it's not me, but he may be able to reach out to them to discuss an arrangement as well regarding disposition of the home itself.
Okay. So that's very generous of the landlord in terms of doing that.
Yes, thank you.
Here's gonna be the problem. They'll give you to that time, but that means the VA is not gonna help you until then, right?
No, sir. I'll be able to use the tier 2 step of rental assistance.
Got it.
Tier 3 is when I'm living in a van down by the river.
Right, so even if I put if we put that the eviction date's the 20th, you'll be able to get that tier 2, you think?
Yes, sir. They said until you have an order for eviction, we cannot even
They
process.
don't care what the date is, it's just they need got it. Okay, real good.
They said they wouldn't even intake me.
All right. Here's what I'll do then. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to do this as a no tribal issue. And after hearing, I'm going to grant a judgment for possession for the total amount due of $25.95.47 with a writ to issue October 20th.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
And thank you.
Take care of yourself and your family. And I don't know if I told you this before, sir, and I always try to tell those that have served, thank you for your service, you and your family.
Thank you.
Because I am always mindful of the fact I get to do what I get to do because people do or did what you did. All right.
And thank you for your service as well, sir.
All right. Take care.
All right. Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.